wonderful evaluation of the evaluations. Fantastic. So timer Kripa, can you give the timer report for Badri?
Yeah, sure. Badri took 4 minutes and 52 seconds.
Thank you so much. Friends, today before this Meraki meeting, I attended another online meeting. So that was from Professional Speakers Association of India, PSA. So the speaker was the overseas speaker. I still don't know from where she spoke. I think she's from US. Mariana Pascal. I think she's also a Toastmaster. So in her speech, she mentioned one word that caught my attention. She mentioned the idiom, the attention span of a goldfish. The attention span of a goldfish. I have never heard that term. Immediately I Google and try to understand the meaning. So people say that every animal has got an attention span. So primarily trying to tell about their memory power or so. The attention span of a golden fish is very, very small. Any guess what it is?
30 seconds, huh?
Just 9 seconds. Right? I'm not sure whether this has been scientifically proven, but many articles say this as an idiom. So not many scientific articles are there, but they use it as an idiom, meaning the attention span of goldfish is just 9 seconds. But in the recent times, many of the other technology companies, they have also found that the attention span of human being is less than that of goldfish, right? So it is just 7 or 8 minutes. So that's why today in social media, now they are trying to come out with a 6-second video. 6-second video. The brevity at its hallmark, right? So keeping a very, very short and sweet video, corporate, they are able to sell their products. And they say that instead of a lengthy video, promotional video, put this short video every now and then in social media. So that will somehow try to achieve its purpose, intended purpose, right? So that is one interesting trivia that I have learned today and I wanted to share with you. So now I request our grammarian Satish Kumar to give us a grammarian report.
Thank you so much, TMOD Sundar Raman. The grammarian report goes. Word of the day, brevity has been used by Sundar for 5+ times and myself used twice, including now the third one. And Gopinath used once and Badrinath used once. The theme of the day, in addition to Sundar used it multiple times on the introduction part. Normally we say theme of the day, we see the intent in which it is used rather than the word-to-word ditto explanation or usage. I found Vijay used once and myself used once and Gopi used once. Word of the day, theme of the day, which is keep it simple and sweet. Now comes to the grammarian report for the speakers. For speaker number 1, Jayanti, the good usages which I noticed was like ask your target market, which is AYTM as an abbreviation. And also in between the speech, I found some interesting thing happen in the chat also. There is something like me too, I heard from Badri. And also there are three types of hobbies, which I liked it, like pastime, hobby and purpose for a hobby. And also still I'm not able to recollect the word, Jayanti. I will ping again Sundar to get it then or go to the website, which is coin collector is what I normally remember for the word which you used it. That's numismatic. Thank you. And also few words which I found in this time seems to be a huge happiness when I heard these words like concert and autograph. We don't have opportunity to sign in the remote meetings, and concert, I don't think we'll go in person this year, right? And for myself, thank you so much, Jayanti, for noting down a couple of good usages like being practical and standing up for right time, anytime. And with Vijay's evaluation, she mentioned someone with the first name of Albert, which I failed to capture the second word by the time she was into the next line of the speech. Commendation and observational trait. And in summary, in spite of I say different alternate use, evaluation contestant normally does this, in summary was the another usages. And Badrinath had crescendo, one another dimension. And the suggestion I liked, the one good was like case studies in place of doldrums, in terms of replacement words, and also the closed-ended questions. And finally, the attention of a goldfish. Is it 9 seconds or 9 minutes, sir?
9 seconds.
9 seconds. Okay, 9 seconds. Thank you so much. That's all my report of grammarian.
Thank you, Satish. So was your grammarian report, was it prepared by Jayanti Manika?